Are you looking for the perfect toaster oven to elevate your kitchen game? Join us as we dive into the best toaster ovens of 2024. From compact designs to versatile features, we've got you covered. Let's find the ideal oven to suit your needs and budget. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Brava Glass Oven. This is a sleek, modern countertop appliance designed to elevate your cooking experience. With an anodized aluminum exterior and a stainless steel interior, it's both stylish and functional. The 5-inch multi-touch display and built-in 5-megapixel camera let you monitor your food with ease. Weighing just 34.4 pounds, it's easy to move and fits well in any kitchen. Performance-wise, the Brava impresses with guided cooking instructions and customizable options. Its 6 pulsating lamps cook food precisely, while the fan ensures safe operation. However, the shallow trays can be tricky with greasy foods, and the door handle partially obstructs the view. At $1,995, it's a premium option, with alternatives like the June oven or the Ninja Double Oven offering similar features at lower prices. Number 2. Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1. This is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines a microwave, air fryer, and convection oven into one sleek stainless steel unit. It's perfect for cooking, baking, roasting, and more, offering convenience and saving counter space. With its digital display, the Combi Wave guides you on which pan or rack to use and how long to preheat. The soft close door, easy-to-read display, and user-friendly knobs make it a joy to use. Performance-wise, it excels in all functions, cooking food evenly and quickly. However, its size might be an issue for smaller kitchens, and the convection fan can be a bit noisy. Priced at $499.95, the Combi Wave is a premium option that could replace multiple appliances, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen. Number 3. Hamilton Beach. Easy Reach 4-Slice Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach 31334 toaster oven offers a budget-friendly choice for those who need basic functionality without extra features. Its wide opening makes it easy to clean and cook, and it performed well in most of our tests. The timer can be set for up to 30 minutes, or you can use the stay-on feature for longer cooking. This model lacks broil, warm, and bake settings, relying solely on the basic toast function. It includes one rack and baking pan that can be positioned in 2 ways for better cooking. Design-wise, the roll-top door provides ample space and easy access, while the removable door simplifies cleaning. Although the sides can get quite hot, the handle stays cool. It lacks a convection fan and non-stick interior, but it still delivers good performance. It toasts evenly and reheats pizza well, though it took extra time for cookies. Priced around $30, it's an excellent value for those on a budget. Number 4. Oster Convection 4-Slice Toaster Oven. This is a reliable choice with 5 cooking modes and a temperature range from 250 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Although it lacks a touchpad or display screen, it remains user-friendly with straightforward dials. The oven boasts a stylish appearance but does not feature a digital interface. It includes dials for selecting from its 5 cooking modes, including a turbo mode for even cooking. While the crumb tray is easy to remove and clean, the interior isn't non-stick, so cleaning can be a bit of a chore. The oven comes with a baking pan but lacks a broiling rack. The timer can be set for up to 60 minutes, but the short cord means it needs to be placed near an outlet. The Oster toaster oven struggled with reheating pizza, resulting in burnt insides and a dry crust. Additionally, the internal temperature was hotter than set, affecting cooking results. On the plus side, it offers a robust 5-year warranty and is built to last, though it requires careful handling. Number 5. Tavala Smart Oven. This is a compact, versatile appliance featuring 5 cooking modes: toast, bake, broil, reheat, and air fry. Its sleek design fits well in small kitchens, measuring 12.32 inches deep, 18.5 inches wide, and 11.75 inches high, and it blends seamlessly with any decor. Unpacking was straightforward, and setting up the oven via the Tavala app was easy. The standout feature is its QR code scanner, which simplifies cooking by automatically adjusting preheating and cooking times based on scanned meal kits. The oven performed well in tests, cooking food thoroughly and efficiently, though the fan does run briefly after cooking. At around $49 with meal kit purchases, the Tavala Smart Oven offers great value, making it a smart choice compared to other options like the Ninja Foodi or beautiful touchscreen toaster. So, which toaster oven reigns supreme in 2024? After careful consideration, the Tavala Smart Oven takes the top spot. Its smart features, precise cooking, and versatility make it a standout choice. But remember, the best toaster oven is the one that fits your lifestyle and cooking habits. Happy baking and toasting!